Hi everyone and welcome. In this video, you will learn how to sell digital products using Whop, a platform designed to make the process simple and beginner-friendly. Whop allows you to sell things like courses, coaching programs, digital downloads, and access to online communities. It's like an online marketplace for digital products. Whether you want to teach a skill, provide consulting services, or build a community around a topic you know, Whop gives you the tools to do it all from one place. To begin, just go to Whop website and go to the Whop onboarding page. Here, you'll need to enter your email address. After that, you'll receive a code in your inbox. Copy that code and paste it back into Whop to verify your email. This step is important to make sure your account is secure and properly linked to your identity. Once you're verified, Whop will ask you to name your digital product or storefront. If you're not sure what to name it, think about the topic you want to focus on. It could be something you already enjoy doing or something you have experience in. This could be cooking, fitness, music, art, finance, or anything else you feel comfortable teaching or talking about. Name your store something that represents the theme of your digital product. Next, you will create a headline for your Whop. This is what people will see when they land on your page, so make it clear and attention-grabbing. A good headline helps people understand what you're offering right away. It should be short, direct, and focused on the benefit your digital product provides. After your headline is set, Whop will begin setting up your page. Once your Whop is created, you'll land on your home page. This is your storefront, your landing page, and your central hub all in one. You now have a fully hosted site where you can manage your community, host your products, and grow your digital business. The first thing you'll be prompted to do is upload a logo. You can easily make one using free tools like Canva. Create a simple logo that matches your brand or theme, and then upload it to Whop. You'll also want to upload media for your storefront. At least one image is required, but it's better to upload 3 to help visitors understand what your digital product is all about. These images help your store look more professional and appealing. You can use royalty-free images or create custom ones in Canva. After you upload your media, you can update the details of your Whop. This includes your title, headline, and a short description of what you're offering. In the description, be clear about what people will receive when they purchase from you. For example, if you're offering a course, mention what topics it covers, how it's delivered, and who it's for. If it's a coaching service or a community, explain the benefits of joining and how they will interact with you or other members. Now, it's time to add features to your Whop using apps. This is one of Whop's most useful tools. These apps add functionality to your digital product. To start, open the Edit Apps section and choose from the available app options. For teaching, 3 apps are highly recommended: Course, Chat, and Forum. The Course app allows you to structure and deliver your educational content. Once you add the Course app, you can go in and start building your course. You'll be prompted to name the course and write a brief description. Then, you can begin creating your lessons. Whop organizes courses using chapters and lessons, which is similar to modules in traditional online courses. You can rename chapters to modules if that's more comfortable for you. For each lesson, you can upload a video file, add downloadable materials, and write additional notes or summaries. You can upload videos from your computer, and they will automatically process on the platform. One of the important features Whop provides is watermarking for videos. This helps prevent unauthorized downloads and piracy of your content by marking each video with unique viewer information. After setting up your course, go back and add the Chat app. This will let your users interact with you directly. Chat is helpful for answering questions, building relationships, and providing a higher level of customer support. You can also test the chat to see how messages appear and respond in real time. Next, add the Forum app. Forums are great for community engagement. They give your users a space to discuss topics, share insights, and help each other. This helps you create a sense of community around your product, which can increase retention and loyalty over time. With your apps in place, the next step is setting your pricing. Go to the pricing section and select Edit Pricing. You'll see options to make your product free, offer a subscription, or set a one-time payment. If you're planning to monetize your digital product, choose either a subscription or a one-time payment. A single payment is ideal for standalone courses, while a subscription is better for communities or coaching that offer ongoing value. You can also limit how many people can buy a specific offer, which is useful if you're running a limited time promotion or beta launch. There's also an option to create a waitlist for a future launch. Once you've set your pricing, click Continue to save it. Now your product has a value attached to it. You can now focus on customizing a few more details, such as the frequently asked questions section. This is where you can answer common queries that your customers might have. Add things like how long the course is, what level it's for, and how users will access the content. You can also list benefits, testimonials, and reviews to build trust. Whop also gives you an affiliate feature built in. This means you can let others promote your digital product and give them a commission for each sale they bring in. You can invite affiliates by email or username and choose whether to give them a flat rate or a percentage of the sale. This makes it easy to grow your business through word of mouth and partnerships. You can also manage tracking links and promo codes within your dashboard. Tracking links help you understand where your traffic is coming from. If you're promoting your Whop through different platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or your email list, you can use specific tracking links to see which channels are performing best. Promo codes allow you to run sales or offer discounts, which is great for special events or promotions. Under the Finances section, you'll find details about payments, customer transactions, and any potential disputes. This is where you'll manage your payouts and keep an eye on your earnings. You'll also see when your next payout is scheduled. If you go back to your main dashboard by clicking Go to Hub, you can see all the components of your Whop in one place. This includes your homepage, course materials, community features, and payment options. You can also update your public profile, including your image and About section, to make your store feel more complete and trustworthy. Everything you need to start selling digital products is built into Whop. You can create a course, engage your audience, take payments, and even manage affiliates, all from one dashboard. There's no need for third-party platforms or complicated integrations. You now have the tools to launch and grow a digital product business from anywhere.